this wood right here is just backlog inventory. It will get moved and organized, and that is on the ticket for this weekend. All total, I believe I have about 30 feet of lumber wall. Look at this beauty. Offcut storage, dimensional storage, some slabs in there because I had overrun. Slab storage, all different species. As you can see, this frees up all kinds of floor space. Look at this. If you remember the before video, this was all full of junk. It's now organized. let's go through this vertical storage. I didn't really design these. I just flew by the seat of my pants when I was making it. So you'll have seen how we made it, and I want to explain just a couple of things. It's just 2x4s, some OSB, which is about 1/2 inch, and nails. Nails are pretty key in terms of weight management and holding a lot of weight. Right now, these racks are not supported by the outside wall or any of the steel supporting studs. All of the weight is bearing on the concrete slab and not the wall, which is exactly what I wanted. I was afraid that all of this weight would be too much for the shop walls to take, and it would start to have some structural issues. This lumber wall is stout, and it is not bearing any weight on the wall. It's at least 3 inches from the wall, and the real key is these side braces that you'll see right here. These side braces are nailed into the pallet that I made, that you'll see here, and then they go to this vertical stud up here. And they're also, I'll call it gusseted, but they're also supported with extra supports. Because this section right here is one 10-foot section. I had 12-foot 2x4s left over, so I made it a 10-foot section. This one's an 8-foot section, and this one is about 7.5, the one with all the walnut. The real bones of it is 2x4s, OSB, and nails. And this offcut rack is a rack that I had here left over by the previous homeowner. I just added that 4th level up there, so it takes it all the way up to the steel gussets. I hate throwing away lumber if there's any potential that I might use it later. So this allows me to get it up off the floor, organized in a way that I can tell exactly what it is. But here we go. That's it. All right, thank you for watching this lumber wall build video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have not already, please subscribe to the channel. There will be more videos coming down in the future. The next one's going to be the loft video, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't seen the before of this shop organization, I suggest you check it out. There'll be a link in the description and at the end of this video. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, question, anything, I'll respond to it. And if you would like to be notified when new videos come out, hit that bell at the bottom. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.